Welcome to our channel. Are you struggling to get your viewers' attention? Are you finding that your videos are not getting the engagement and views that you want? In this video, we're going to share some tips and strategies for getting your viewers' attention and keeping them engaged. So let's start. The first step in getting your viewers' attention is to understand your audience. Who are you creating content for, and what are they looking for? By understanding your audience, you can create content that resonates with them and addresses their pain points and interests. Once you understand your audience, it's time to start creating high-quality content. Use storytelling techniques and make sure your videos are visually appealing and engaging. Use images, video footage, and animations to make your videos more interesting. Next, use a clear and engaging narration. Use a clear and confident tone of voice and speak directly to your audience. Avoid using complex jargon or technical language that may be hard for your audience to understand. Add background music and sound effects to enhance the mood and atmosphere of your video. This will make your videos more engaging and interesting. Use YouTube's end screens and annotations to promote other videos or playlists on your channel. This will help keep your viewers engaged and encourage them to watch more of your videos. Use a consistent posting schedule. When creating a consistent posting schedule, it means having a regular and planned time for uploading your content. This schedule can be daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, but the key is to have a regular upload schedule that your audience can expect and look forward to. And that's it for this video. We hope you found these tips and strategies for getting your viewers' attention helpful. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.